to Prestige Prep by Paris. I'm Paris. Thank you so much for being here. If you're a returning member of the Prep Squad, thank you so much for coming back and spending more time with me. If you are a new member of the Prep Squad, welcome. Over here at Prestige Prep, we desire to excel in all areas of our lives, and that means we leave no stone unturned. So in our family and our friendship and our finances and every single thing that we do, we desire to excel. God is definitely the head of our lives over here, and we are not a perfect people, and we definitely have not arrived, okay? Today's video is really just going to be a short video. I'm going to show you guys how I'm taking down these faux locks, which I love, love, love. They are now extremely heavy because I have lots of new growth, okay? So it's time for them to come down, and we're going to graduate into something else. I'm going to share that with you guys. Yeah, I probably will record that too. So I'm going to move over into something, you know, a little bit different also that I've also never personally done. So yeah, that'll be that. Hopefully that'll be cute. That'll be fun. So I'll try to record that as well. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys the process of me taking down these faux locks just so you can get an idea of how it goes. I've never done this before. Okay, so yeah, my niece is going to help me do this. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of it, and then I'll come back when it's all done and give you my final thoughts on how I feel about the takedown. The put up was fairly easy. Like for me, it was, you know, it was good. Like I don't have any gripes or complaints about it. The parting clearly is always the worst for me because I like my parts to be and look a specific way. I don't like to really do free parting. I like a very consistent look. So that's always the hardest part for me, just to have the parts look the way I want them to look. But anyway, I'm rambling. Anyway. So before we go ahead and get started with the video, make sure you please, if you haven't already, like, commented, and subscribe to my channel. Please share the video, share the content, go watch other videos. I have lots of other things that you can take a look at. I have Walmart hauls. I have hair reviews for hair products. I have wig reviews. I have organizational videos. I have all kinds of things. So go and check those videos out. Please make sure you tell a friend to come and check me out on my channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the takedown. Okay, so I came back just to kind of show you guys. I have unraveled the twist hair that was on there, the spring twist hair. So all I have left is, this is my hair, of course. And then this is the actual lock. So remember when I did the install, if you haven't seen that, make sure you go and check that out. I'll try to link that in the maintenance video in the description box below. But so what I did was I braided down a little bit, and then I looped in the actual lock using the crochet needle hole on the dread, and then I continue to twist down. So this is what you're seeing right here. So let's see if there is another. Yeah, so here's one that I kind of already started to. So as you can see, I started to unravel the spring twist hair to expose my hair. And then basically all I'm doing is just continuing that on all the way up until I get to the top of the hair. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this piece. So basically what I'm doing is, if I find a piece of the spring twist that's loose that I can get my finger under, I'll just, you know, I'll start unraveling like wherever I find it. That way I don't have to start all the way at the bottom, as long as I already have my hair out and I am 100% sure that I'm not actually cutting my hair to get this done. So just unravel. Try to do this in slow motion so you guys can see, or keep this in real time rather, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just pulling, 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 all the way until I get to the top. We're almost there. And there it is. So now this is completely off, and all I have left now is my hair, which is this. It's right here, and the actual lock itself. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again. Here's another one that I started. So my hair is already exposed. I'm just gonna figure out where the spring twist comes into play and get my finger under it, if you will. So this is spring twist hair right here. This is my hair, and this is more spring twist hair. So I'll just continue. Okay, so this one is being a little more difficult. So I'm trying to determine where I can get my finger under the spring twist hair to remove it from being wrapped around my hair. And so this is where my niece is gonna come in because I can't see all the way back there. But okay, so I think I got it. Hopefully. Got it. There it is. Okay, so again, so as you can see here, I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see. So don't mind my terrible new growth. Here's what they're looking like. Okay. All right, so these are those. And when I come back, I will let you know how I feel about the final official full takedown. Right. Be back in a minute. All right, guys. So as you can see, my hair is down. I was able to get the locks out. It took me about 5 hours to do so, largely because I needed to make sure that I took my time and wasn't ripping my hair out essentially when I was taking the locks down. So I had to start at the very end of where I wrapped the spring hair twist and then work my way up. So it took a while to get it down. Again, I still really like the style. I definitely think I would do it again. Yeah, so I'm still loving it, if you will. So I'm gonna try to do it again, but I'm going to braid my hair, flip it in half, and crochet it through so my hair is half the length that it normally is. And then I'm going to use spring twist hair to wrap locks in more of kind of like a bob or shoulder length style the next time I do it. So that's pretty much that on that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it all the way to the end, then clearly you liked something that you saw. So go ahead and join the family. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and share the video. If you haven't watched my other videos, make sure you go and check them out. I got some good stuff out there. Go all the way back, tell a friend to tell a friend, and make sure you go ahead and share it with your family and friends as well. And then if you are subscribing, or I should say when you subscribe, go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you're interested in this hair that I'm wearing right now, I am going to make a little review about this really quickly and post that. You will see that after this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Talk to you guys later, and I hope that God is doing everything you asked him to do. And until next time, bye guys.